Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today we're going to take a look at the MSI Pro MP223 series monitor. First, let's inspect the box. Here you can see some features of the monitor Eyes Ergo anti-flickering 100Hz refresh rate display kit. This is a program that can control some of the settings of the monitor, the accessory slot, which is a slot on the stand to put your phone or tablet, and of course this mount support. If you are looking to have a multi-monitor setup, this is definitely a must. I'm surprised they didn't put it out of sync in here because this monitor supports it. This is the side of the box. The back is just the same as the front. I did notice the seal was open. I think the seller tested it before shipping it out. Now let's start unboxing this thing. It's good that it has a lot of padding with this thick foam. Let's take a look at what's inside. The stand is really solid and doesn't feel cheap. It does have some rubber pads for grip, but they're pretty small. This is the accessory slot for your phone. The quick start guide pushed the power cable to HDMI cable. It's pretty short, I think about 1 to 1.5 meters, and the power brick. I really hate external power supply as it just adds another mess when cable managing the neck of the stand. This monitor does have a tilt function, but no height adjustment. And nothing is more now for the monitor itself. There's no signs of damage. The bezels are also really slim. Now let's put together this thing. I never showed the back. So here it is, the MSI logo on top. You have 5 buttons from top to bottom. First, the menu or back, button up, button down button. Okay, button and bottom is your power button. Here at your ports from left to right, the power input, HDMI port, VGA port, and your 3.5mm audio out. There's no built-in speaker for this monitor. Another thing I kind of dislike. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. Now let's run some tests. If you have any questions about this monitor, just ask in the comments. Maybe I'll make a follow-up video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.